Namaste everybody, welcome back to YogaCandi. I'm Candice and today I've got a short video for us. It's going to be only around 15 minutes long. It's all about the neck today, so it's all going to be seated, no actual flowing, just some stretching and a little bit of massage. So hop into something comfortable and meet me over on the mat. Okay, I invite you to sit on your mat in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and place your hands on your knees. Just breathe naturally, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Just take a moment to set an intention for today. It could be that you want to create slightly less stress in your life. Then breathe in. Take your hands all the way to the sky and then down to your heart. Bow your head and thanks for taking this time today. Keep that intention in your mind as you move your head over to your left shoulder. Roll it all the way to the right. Make sure that you roll your head very slowly. Take it all the way back to the left. Do this in your own time. Breathing in as you roll down. Breathing out as you roll down and breathing in as you roll up. Taking your head all the way over. Now roll your head from side to side, but backwards rather than frontwards this time. Remembering to breathe in and out nice and slow with the movement. Breathe out as you come over to the ear, over to the shoulder. Breathe in as you roll down. Now take your head over to the left shoulder and use that hand, the left hand, to put some pressure on your head. Don't pull on the neck, it's very sensitive. Instead, just allow it to lightly sit on top of your head to create a little bit extra friction. Maybe even put your right arm out to the side, creating extra length through those muscles. If this becomes too intense, just remove your hand and allow your head to fall to the side naturally. Keep breathing into anywhere that feels uncomfortable or where you have tension. Slowly move your head over to the right. Using your right hand, place it over your temple, creating a little bit of weight. Put those the left fingertips over to the left, creating a little bit of extra space. If you feel tension somewhere, breathe into that. Imagine you could actually send your breath directly to where you feel uncomfortable. Anytime your mind starts to wander, just bring your thoughts back to your breath and back to the sensations in the body. When you're ready, come back to the center. Take your head back over to the left. Using your left hand, just grip above your right elbow. This will just create some extra length and tension on that side, deepening through that stretch a little bit more. When you're ready, maybe roll your head to the middle of the chest, back out to the left again. Take this as a free time for you. Really feel around on that side of the neck, feel where there's pain, where there's tension. Try to differentiate between pain that is not good pain, and maybe discomfort, which is just tension that needs to be released. If you find a spot that's particularly uncomfortable, maybe just hold it there for a moment. Remember to keep breathing in and out slowly. Come back up to the center and we're going to swap sides. Take your head over to the right shoulder and gripping with the right hand above the left elbow. Breathe here. And when you're ready, feel free to just feel around, move your head maybe to the middle of the chest, back up again to the right. Just feeling through all those muscles, feeling the tension starting to release. It can be a bit of a bittersweet feeling this. I almost said switterbeat. When you're ready, come up to the middle and just give your shoulders a nice roll, lifting them up towards the ears and back round. Then bring your right arm across the left side of your body using your left hand. Place it on the right arm and give that shoulder blade a lovely stretch. Sometimes when we get tension and pain in our neck, it can actually be coming from other regions. It could be coming from the shoulders, it could be tension there, it could be coming from the middle or lower back even. It's all connected. If you want to deepen the stretch, you can look over to the right as well. Just hold and breathe. Feel the aliveness of the body. When you're ready, come back to the middle and give your shoulders another roll up towards the ears and back and down. Let's swap sides. Take that left arm across the body using the right arm to hold it in place. And maybe even look over to the left. Feeling that wonderful stretch in the left side of the shoulder blade. Releasing any tension from your day, or perhaps even from your night. Sometimes we sleep in a little bit of a weird position and we can wake up with pain in our necks or backs. Keep breathing. And release. Give your shoulders another roll. Up, down and back. Now we're going to do eagle arms. Take your right arm underneath your left. You can either wrap them once around if you're feeling a bit tight, or even twice and try to grab onto that left thumb if you can get all the way around twice. Now lift your arms up towards the sky and really feel that stretch in both sides of those shoulder blades. This can be such a beautiful, also quite an intense stretch for the arms. So if it's too much, do feel free to come out of it. Just hold this if you can and keep breathing. Bring them back down towards your chest and let's unravel. Taking your left arm, let's place it underneath the right. And again, either just wrap your arms once, if you can, wrap them twice and grab onto that right thumb, or even just place your palms together. Again, lift those elbows up high towards the ceiling. And this time maybe feel around in your neck, move your neck over to the left and then to the right. Just listen to your body, do what it feels. If it feels good, do it. When you're ready, just release the arms. Give your arms another roll back. Roll those shoulders out. Now take both hands and place them in the base of your neck, basically where your skull starts and your neck finishes. And rub around there, see if you can find any tight spots, maybe even some knots in there, any tension, any tenderness, and just give it a little rub, some TLC. Take it from one side to the other. Take your time here really to feel out where the problem is. And don't forget to keep breathing. Now just give your head a little roll from right to left. And left to right. Keep your head over to the right, and now use your right hand to get into that left shoulder. Perhaps even use your left hand to support the right elbow. You can even get into the front of the trapezius, close to the front of the neck. Feel around for where there's tension. Use little circular movements on those sore areas. Take your neck over to the left now and do the same to the right side. Using your left hand, just get into that right trapezius, that right muscle there, and give it a good rub. If you find a particularly sore spot, you can even just keep your thumb pressed onto that area. This can help to release any tension, can help to release the lactic acid in that muscle. When you're done, give your shoulders another roll up and back. Give your hands a shake out. They've done a little bit of work for you. And just move your spine around, whatever feels good, almost as if you're dancing with yourself. Add a little bit of movement. Now breathe out as you push your spine backwards, and breathe in as you look up towards the sky and pressing your chest forward. As if we're doing a seated cat-cow. Do this in your own time. Breathing out. Breathing in as you look up. Breathe in and bring your hands all the way to the sky. Bring them in towards your heart center. Bow your head and thank yourself for taking this time to look after your neck. Then rub your hands together, creating friction and warmth. Place those warm hands on the back of your neck. Open your eyes and take a deep breath. Namaste.